If you're wondering what is happening to Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market, then watch this video to the end. My name is Great BTC. I've been a trader. I've been in crypto for over 8 years, and this is my daily crypto update. Quick one. All right. So Bitcoin moved from struggling to keep 26,000 to hitting 28K and reversing back to where it's at now, about 27,300 as I record this video. And all this happened basically within 2 to 3 hours. And a lot of people don't know what's happening and also what's about to come. So the reason to this pump, guys, is because the SEC, which is the government, have lost a second case against crypto. In this specific instance, Grayscale, who are the owners of Grayscale BTC, they have been applying for Bitcoin ETF for years, for a long time. And it was always denied by the SEC for a bunch of reasons that they put out. And now the matter went to court. And this time around, the SEC lost because the court ruled that the SEC cannot refuse to issue the Bitcoin ETF to Grayscale based on the reasons that the SEC have been giving out. The court has found that the reasons that these guys are giving about not issuing the ETF are not necessarily valid at all. Now, a lot of people are celebrating, and obviously the price of pump, just like what happened when XRP, which was the second case, when XRP won the case, or Repo won the case against the SEC, we saw a massive pump to $1 almost, to like 92 cents, and then we've been crashing down. We're almost close to where we were. So I think this is similar to that kind of play, considering that there's not enough liquidity in the market, but this was enough news to pump and get people hyped up. And the risk of it might be like people will get liquidated, but not so fast. There is another pending case this week, and this is something to do with BlackRock. BlackRock is the largest, wealthiest company in the world. It basically controls America. And these guys also applied for their own, they filed for ETF, and they submitted all the documents. The SEC came back, asked them to change a couple of things. They changed them and they resubmitted their application. And now the SEC was waiting for the same playbook, just like Grayscale, to say like, oh, we cannot allow you because of reason A, B, and C. But this time around, they are not allowed to use the same excuses. And BlackRock has submitted more than 430 submissions, I think, to the SEC for different products, and they have only been denied once. Now, this means that Bitcoin stands a good chance with BlackRock, especially, or both Grayscale and BlackRock, to get an ETF going. And this is going to be a massive play because it will allow the institutional investors to walk into Bitcoin, buy big, and also when the ETF is on, it means that even retirement funds can now invest in Bitcoin legally. Imagine how much money that is. I can see the Bitcoins, in no time, we can see the Bitcoin market cap doubling or tripling, right? So that's what's happening. That's what's going on. So right now, there was the excitement of the Grayscale news that pumped Bitcoin to where it's at now. And now the reason why it hasn't crashed still is because there is still more speculation about the BlackRock news. So let's stick around and see. I was in the Alpha group last night trading with the guys. We're having a live session there, Edward and the rest of the Alpha group traders were trading while the market was still hot, very active. So now it's a perfect time for you to trade and make money, right? If you're not part of the Alpha group, make sure you join. Link is in the description. And if you want to join my bootcamp, which starts in 2 days from now, make sure you register before we close registration. It means you're going to trade with me for 4 weeks. That's 1 month of working together to turning you into a real professional crypto trader that makes money. So if you're someone who want to invest in yourself, invest the money and time to get there, then you can go ahead and sign up. Otherwise, I'm in Bali still, guys. The next destination is going to be Japan. And then after that, I'll see you in Singapore. Why and how? Because crypto makes it all possible for me. All right. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. If you don't have crypto trading accounts, I use Bybit, link is in the description below. I also use OKX, link in the description below. As always, guys, peace.